Hello and welcome to Every Dad DIY. I'm Gavin. Today we're going to be taking a look at this fella. It's a dual USB socket. I got this one in Aldi. We got it for a good price. So we're going to take it out, have a look around it, then we'll go and install it. So stick with me and let's get started. Okay, so let's have a quick look in here then and see what we got. So we have our little wiring diagram. We have some warranty. And we have the actual socket itself. So looking at the back then, you can see where the three connections go, 1, 2 and 3. And then your earth as well into the actual socket box. So we put our live, neutral and earth in here. And then we'll bring an earth from here then into the socket box just to earth that. So you can see the earths are connected both sides to the screws as well, so it'll be earthed through those as well. So you can see on the front here we've got our two USB ports. It says 3.1 amp at 5 volts, so hopefully that means fast charging. So yeah, let's just go inside and get it installed. So as you can see from the screenshots, I did a little test with the USB tester. The USB port doesn't come up as a fast charger on the phone the same way the original charger does, but it still does a fairly good job of charging the phone. It's only 10 minutes behind. So yeah, I think that's really good. I'm really happy with it. I think for that kind of price, it's definitely worth picking up. Okay, so as you can see, we're all finished there now. It was a nice simple job, only took a couple of minutes. It's really handy now, it's freed up the sockets, so I don't have to keep switching them the whole time. And yeah, so thanks for watching. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. See you in the next one.